Hello everyone, one word, one day for Chinese. I'm a local Chinese living in China, so I will share with you about the language tips learning about Chinese to you. So today I think you may heard about that the China International Import Expo, which will be held in China, in Shanghai. So if you want to take part in this fair, the expo fair, then you will book a ticket and take a plane from your country to China, to Shanghai. So how to write and say it about the China International Import Expo? It's a very simple and easy sentence for you to, if you are landing, after you landed at the airport of Shanghai, then you needed to, I think you understand or you can identify this Chinese character of how to speak or how to write it or how to identify the China International Import Expo, which is very, useful skills for you to understand these Chinese characters. So now I will show you how to identify these characters and how to write it and how to say it in Chinese about the China International Import Expo. Okay, now let's go to my pad. I will show you how to write it, speak it, and identify the Chinese characters. Okay, let's go. Okay, so welcome to my pad. Then I will select one color to write the China International Import Expo. So it's easy to learn. China. First I write China. Yes. International import, which means international. And import. And expo. Expo a little bit complicated, but problem. Okay, so which means China. This means China. I will use another color. So this is the China International. This two words means international, and these two words means two character means import, and expo. Choose another color, which means expo. So try again. So China International Import Expo. So when you landing at the Shanghai Hongqiao or Shanghai Pudong New Area Airport, then you will see these Chinese characters, which means China International Import Expo. So it's right easy. So you can repeat for your several times and to take it in your mind. Yeah, and you can understand the sentence, which was right in Chinese. Okay, so see you next time. Peace. Bye bye.